Annyeonghaseyo mga chinggu, mga omoni at oma. Welcome to another edition of Pinay Omoni. Today, I'll take you to a tour of the Gapyeong region. Here in Gangwon province, there are several tourist spots that you can go to. For a day, you can go to Nami Island, Petit Prince, and Garden of Morning Calm. Ang Nami Island is one of the most visited places in South Korea, and it's really very famous, kaya lahat ng nagbibisit sa Korea talagang they make it a point to come to Nami Island. So I'll bring you there this time. It's about 20 minutes from Nami to Petit Prince and about half an hour from Petit Prince to Garden of Morning Calm. And aside from these three places, nandito rin yung Swiss Village. For now, in this vlog, ang pupuntahan natin ay ang Nami Island at ang Petit Prince. Let us take a train, Gongchung Line to Gapyeong Station. Mga 2.5 hours ito from Seoul. Medyo malayo-layo. So, if you plan to go there, kailangan maaga pa lang ay umalis ka na ng Seoul. Upon arriving at Gapyeong, you can take a cab for 15 to 20,000 won from this station to the ferry wharf. Or, if you have booked the Nami Island City Bus, you can take that also. Tapos, you go to Petit Prince and Garden of Morning Calm through the Nami Island City Bus. At the wharf, you buy your ticket to the island, which at the time cost around 13,000 won. And it covers both the entrance fee and the round-trip ferry fare. Yung ferry runs every 10 minutes and it takes about 5 minutes lang from the wharf to the island. Actually, napakalapit niya. Nami or Namison Island is an island in the North Han River, which is around 2.5 hours from Seoul, and this has been transformed into an amusement park. It is a half-moon-shaped island located in Chuncheon, Gangwon province, and very famous because of the 202 drama Winter Sonata. I'm sure very familiar kayo, kaya talagang naging famous ang Nami because of this drama. The Winter Sonata that starred Bae Young-joon and Che Ji-woo and also Park Yung-ha, who unfortunately died in 2010. It is in Nami where most of the scenes were filmed there. Let us take a look. You will also find there the statue of Bae Young-joon and Choi Ji-woo. Also, you can find the spot where they first kiss. We also find the Pine Tree Lane, which are great to see in both winter and autumn and spring. This Pine Tree Lane was also seen in the last episode of the drama Where My Love Blooms, starring Lee Boo-young and Yoo Ji-tae. Si Kim Tae-hee and ang kanyang friend na Shin Dong-mi came to this island in episode 14 of Hi Bye Mama to spend some time together. It was also in Nami where So In-guk and Lee Hana in the 2014 drama King of High School Sabi came for a date. They even took a selfie in front of the Winter Sonata statue. So, the other ways to go there is to take the shuttle bus from Insadong or Nandaemun and Myeongdong, and that brings you directly through the island. You can catch the shuttle bus in Insadong or in the Sungmyon Square bus stop in front of Nandemum Market. At that time, the bus leaves at 9:30 and it will take you directly to the wharf in Gapyeong. Ayan. Tapos, mag-picture-picture na tayo sa Nami. I would also like to show you some of the pictures that we have taken in our many trips to Nami. Ayan, after coming from Nami, pwede tayong dumiretso ng Petit France. Sabi ko nga, we can take a cab from Nami Island to Petit France. Mga 20 minutes lang yan. Or we can take the Nami City Bus. Petit France is a cute French cultural village or theme park which has buildings with French influences. Petit France is also known as the Little Prince. We would love the colorful houses in the main entrance and the mini Eiffel Tower. The park itself is so small that you can see everything in 30 minutes or an hour. It is located in the village of Goseongri, around 2 hours from Seoul kung Petit France lang ang pupuntahan mo at you don't want to go to Nami Island. Let us try to look at some of the dramas that were filmed there. One is One Spring Night, the MBC drama in 2019 wherein si Jung Hae-in at saka si Han Ji-min, dinala nila yung anak ni Jung Hae-in dyan sa park in episode 13 for an outing. Also, in the 2010 SBS drama Secret Garden, this is where Kim Jo-won, played by Hoon Bin, meets Gil Ra-im, played by Ha Ji-won, for the first time. This is also where si Go-hoo, played by Kwon Yuri of Girls' Generation, goes several times in Go's Starry Night. This was also seen in My Love from the Stars, Jana Jun and Kim So-yoon. You have several options as to whether you can go directly to Nami or you go directly to Petit France. Pwede naman yon. You can go early in the morning to Nami, and during lunchtime or after lunch, you can go to Petit France. So you have already seen 2 places in one day. So this is the first part of our Gapyeong tour. We'll go to the second part at little later sa susunod na mga vlogs pa natin. So we could see some more of the tourist spots that we can go to in Gapyeong area. So for now, I hope that you enjoyed our episode today. So annyeong mga uni. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Annyeong mga uni, mga omuni, at oma. Keep safe always. Saranghae.